Hey viewers, in this video you're going to see a very quick and easy recipe in just 10 minutes. You are with Sritika and welcome to my channel. I will fry bite-sized chicken pieces in 3 tablespoons oil at medium flame and will fry them for 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon jeera powder, and will fry them until nicely done and a bit crisp and will have a golden effect. So this is almost done. Take it out from the pan and keep it aside. In the same pan, along with the leftover oil, adding 2 more tablespoons of oil. Into it goes 2 medium-sized potatoes, 1 red bell pepper, 1 onion and 1 green bell pepper. Saute the vegetables until it's well cooked. So here I am adding salt as per taste, half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix everything well and cook for a minute. Then add half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon ginger powder and mix them well. Next up, making some space in the pan. Adding the previously fried chicken into it. Add some lemon juice. Mix everything and slow cook covering the lid. I will check how the potatoes are cooked. So it's need to be cooked more. Again covering the lid and let it cook for more 3 to 4 minutes until it's done. Now it's completely cooked well from inside and is ready to be served. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, subscribe if you love watching my recipes. Hit the bell icon for getting more updates, and also do not forget to give this recipe a try and share with your friends and family. Until then, happy cooking!